2 works for you weather, certified most accurate.
While Florida's preparing for a tropical storm, we're preparing for a little bit of rain, possibly.
A lot of bit of rain would also be nice.
But not a tropical storm.
We're certainly
not quite that much.
That would be a lot of rain to take in anywhere. I think we could see some rainfall totals in the 1 to 2 inch range, though, in eastern Oklahoma.
That'd be nice.
That would be nice for the weekend. Quick update. So far this month for August, we've had less than an inch of rain, which is below normal. As you know, we're in a drought. For the year, we're under 20 inches. We're nearly 7 inches below normal. We're also behind last year's pace. All of those totals should be going up as rain tries to increase this weekend. We're going to start you off zoomed in to the Oklahoma City area. If you have some family in Edmond, they had some rain yesterday, and they're also picking up some rain right now, mainly on the northern sides of the town, then up I-35 toward Guthrie and Stillwater. Just a few showers working their way across the Oklahoma City metro. This is that same area of rain on the morning news I was showing you in western Oklahoma. Now, the rain has weakened, but it is holding together, so we are going to see some light showers moving in this afternoon. The bulk of the rain, what there is of it, is generally going to stay to the northwest and north of Tulsa. It's good news if you're watching us from Osage County, Bartlesville, or southeastern Kansas. Now, your rainfall totals from this less than a quarter of an inch. In fact, many folks will get less than a tenth of an inch of rain. But Pawhuska, you have some light rain headed your way, and also by early afternoon, we'll see some of that rain spreading its way into Bartlesville. At the most, we'll see some light showers trying to move into Tulsa this afternoon. Most of us, though, have to wait until later in the weekend for the rain. 85 degrees. The clouds are thickening across green country as that rain tries to move a little closer. Also, it's more humid. You can certainly feel that. You can get a sweat a bit more easily today. South wind at 16 miles an hour. Temperatures around the rest of green country. You'll notice how it's warmer east. That's where we're seeing more sunshine. The clouds aren't quite as thick toward Grand Lake and Pryor, so mid to upper 80s showing up that direction. Tahlequah 85, 84 Muskogee, and cooler toward the thicker clouds toward Stillwater, Ponca City, some light rain nearby, and also we've seen some light rain near Stillwater. South wind has picked up since this morning. It will be a breezy afternoon with the wind near 10 to 20 miles an hour. Now, here's what we're going to see for the weekend. Of course, this first area of rain is gradually weakening as it moves into green country, but we will see several other batches of showers and thunderstorms developing to our west and northwest. Then those areas of rain will be moving in. We're likely going to see rain trying to move into much of green country by tomorrow morning. Futurecast is showing that for this afternoon. You can see this first area of rain kind of breaking up as it moves in. But look what happens overnight. Seeing random areas of rain developing across green country. Tomorrow morning near sunrise, it's showing some pockets of heavy rain developing in green country. And the rain is not going to move very quickly, so that's why we're going to see some pockets of 1 to 2 inch plus rain totals. Generally, we will see less rain towards southern Oklahoma, and rainfall totals will generally be higher north of Tulsa. So for the rest of today, a few small showers trying to make their way into green country. We'll see a high today of 92 degrees with a south wind of 10 to 25 miles an hour. High temperatures actually probably need to warm up some of these temperatures east of Tulsa as the clouds aren't quite as thick toward Grove and Pryor. Lower 90s toward Bartlesville, and cooler toward the rain, what there is of it, toward Ponca City and Stillwater. Now, coming up tonight, rain is likely going to develop late tonight. You may be waking up to rain and thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather, just kind of a rainer type event across the area. So we mentioned yesterday, I'm not sure if rainer is a word, but that's kind of what we're going to get. We'll see lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Your 7-day forecast shows highest rain chances will be this weekend. Well, I was looking at some of the computer data this morning. It was suggesting that our best bets for heavy rain would be late Saturday. So Saturday night and Sunday morning. Then for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we will see drier weather and warmer temperatures. It's not going to be one of these weekends in which it's not going to be raining all weekend, but we'll be tracking various blobs of rain on the radar all weekend.
All right, thanks, George.
You'll be keeping an eye on that. Also keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Isaac. We've got it all covered online. Just go to kjrh.com/Isaac. You'll find an interactive map tracking the storm's path. There are links to our Scripps stations in Tampa and West Palm Beach, Florida. You can find out how to download our Storm Shield app as well.